Next, we are going to see about rotor resistance starter. Normally, the starter is mainly used to start the machine and also to reduce the starting current at the time of starting. So, in the stator resistance starter, the variable resistance can be added. The variable resistance can be added in the stator winding. So, initially, the stator resistance kept in maximum position. Then the stator resistance connected between the stator winding and supply through the TPST switch. So when the switch is closed and the motor is started with help of three-phase induction motor, then initially the starting resistance, that means the external resistance should be very high. So this resistance will reduce the current flowing through the induction motor. So now you have to manually vary from maximum to minimum of starting resistance. Automatically the starting resistance can be reduces or included in the stator winding will be reduces. So this will increase the current flow through the induction motor. So in order to supply the reduced voltage of stator of induction motor, the three resistors are added in series with each phase of stator winding. Initially, the resistance kept in maximum in the circuit due to the large voltage is dropped across the resistance. Hence, reduced voltage gets applied to the stator which reduces the high starting current. When the motor starts running, the resistance is gradually cut out from stator circuit. When the resistance are entirely removed from the stator circuit, that is rheostat is run position, the rated voltage gets applied to the stator, the motor runs with normal speed. The stator is simple in construction and cheap. It can be both stator and delta connected stator, but large power loss is due to the resistance. Also, the starting current of motor reduces due to the reduced voltage applied to the stator. So P2 equal to T into omega S. So torque produced by P2 is equal to torque proportional to P2, thus P2 is equal to 3 into I squared R2 by X2. So torque is proportional to I2 2R by S. So starting torque will proportional to I squared S. When the stator resistance starter is used, the factory by stator voltage reduced by X less than 1. The starting current is proportional to the factor X. So if the IS is normal current drawn under full load stator, so I starting equal to X into IX. So Tx by Tfl equal to X squared Isc by Ifl the whole square Sf. Then auto transformer starter. The three-phase three-phase star connected. This is a diagram for the auto transformer starter. The star connected auto transformer can be used to reduce the voltage applied to the stator. The stator is called auto transformer starter. Then it consists of suitable changeover switch. When the switch is start position, the winding is supplied with reduced voltage. This can be controlled by tapping provided auto transformer. This reduction is applied voltage by fraction of percentage tapping X. So when the motor gather than 80% of normal speed, changes or switches in run position. Due to the rated voltage gets applied stator winding, the motor start rotate at normal speed. Changing the switch is done automatically by using relays. The power loss much less than the type of starting. Okay, thank you.